Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. My name is Mr. Az Jerome and we shall be talking on friction. But before we discuss about friction, let's go to our previous lesson. So from our previous lesson, we discussed operation carried out on a lathe machine, sheet metal work types and uses. Today we shall be looking at friction and its effects, advantages and disadvantages of friction. Okay, now let's look at the definition of friction. Have you ever wondered why you are able to walk without falling or sleeping? Why car tires are able to move and stop moving by the application of brakes? Why fan belts can turn without slipping? All this is made possible due to the application of friction. So now let's give a definition of friction. Friction is the force which acts at the surface of separation between two bodies in contact, thereby one opposing the motion of the other. Examples would include rubbing your dry palms vigorously together, a car that is moving on the road. That is, there's friction between the tires of the car and the road on which it's moving. So having given the examples of friction, let's talk about the types of friction. We say there are two major types of friction. One, we have the static or limiting friction. You can also call it friction of a body at rest. And two, we have kinematic or dynamic friction, which is regarded as friction of a body in motion. Let's now go to number one, which is the static or limiting friction. We say static friction is that friction that exists between a stationary body or object and the surface on which it's resting. We have various examples as we can see on the screen. When a bicycle is parked on a spot, that is an example of a static friction. When a book is lying on a table, okay, is another example of static friction. Okay, I'll give you images, okay, that will actually describe to you what I am talking about. You can see right now that in our first case here, there is what we call the static frictional force. You see a person who is pushing a particular body, as the case may be, applying force. You agree with me that there will be a force of friction trying to pull the person away from the object he is trying to push. That means there is a normal force and a normal reaction acting on that body. On the second picture, okay, which is number 2, you see a family trying to push their car. On that example, you will notice that you will require a frictional force to push the car to a particular distance. Thereby, there is more friction exerted on that body. That is an example of a static friction. The third one is a sliding kind of friction. A vehicle parked on an inclined surface has a frictional force that pulls the body until it comes to rest on a spot. Then the last part, which is that of a bicycle parked on a spot, it has a static frictional force. These are all examples of static friction. Let's now move towards the next, which is kinetic, or you say kinematic friction. We say kinetic friction is defined as the force that acts between moving surfaces in contact. We have examples like a rolling ball trying to crush through set of game pebbles, We have a car which is in motion, moving. We have a moving train or a moving bicycle, as the case may be. All these are all examples of kinetic or kinematic friction. Let's now talk about the advantages and disadvantages of friction. By my left here we have the advantages of friction. And number one is it enables us to walk without sleeping. 2, it enables vehicles to move or stop moving due to friction between the road and the tires. 3, friction enables nails to stay tightly in a hole. Then the disadvantages, where friction leads to wear and tear of moving parts. It reduces the efficiency of machines. Friction opposes motion, thereby reducing speed. Now, on your own, I want you to make research on friction generally. Most importantly, look at the ways of reducing friction. Go through your week ties, the one on friction, which is the week 3 work, and hopefully I know that you'll find the topic interesting and educating. Thank you very much and do have a wonderful day.